Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious one-pan steak and shrimp recipe. The steak and shrimp are sizzled in a delicious garlic butter sauce. They pair so well together. This recipe is absolutely delicious. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're using New York strip. You can use your favorite kind of steak, but make sure your steak has enough fat marbles running through, because that's going to make your steak very tender and juicy. We're going to brush the steak on both sides with some olive oil. Season the steak with a generous amount of salt and black pepper on both sides. Make sure you allow the steak to sit for about 5 minutes to soak in the salt and pepper, because that's going to make them even more tender. So we're going to set it aside for later. Then we're going to season some shrimp. We're using some jumbo shrimp. I kept the tails on, but you can take them off. Season the shrimp with salt and black pepper, then mix everything together. Set the shrimp aside for later. Then we're going to make a garlic butter mixture for the steak and shrimp. We have some softened butter in this bowl. We're going to add some freshly minced garlic and freshly chopped parsley. Go ahead and mix everything together and then set it aside for later. Next, grab a cast iron pan, place it over medium-high heat, then add some oil. Allow the oil to heat up and get smoky, then add the steak. We're going to cook the steak for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then turn them over and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. You also want to sear the sides around your steak as well, because that helps lock in the juice and flavor. Once the steak has cooked for about 6 to 8 minutes total, add big spoonfuls of the garlic butter mixture we made, then allow the butter to melt all over the steak. Use the melting garlic butter to baste the steak for 1 more minute. I like my steak medium, so this amount of time is good for my steak. If you like yours a little well cooked, cook for 2 more minutes. But be careful not to burn or overcook your steak, okay guys? Next, we're going to remove the steak from the pan and set aside. Once the steak is out of the pan, we're going to cook the shrimp. Toss the shrimp into the pan, then arrange them into a single layer. Then we're going to cook the shrimp on medium-high heat for 1 minute on each side. We want the shrimp to develop a nice golden brown color. I melted the remaining garlic butter sauce in my microwave. I am going to pour that all over the shrimp. I'm going to mix that in, then let the shrimp cook in the sauce for 1 more minute. Once the shrimp has finished cooking, I'm going to turn off the heat, toss the shrimp to the side, then add the steak to the pan. The very hot pan will warm the steak through. I'm basting the steak and shrimp one last time with the sauce from the pan. Then to enrich the flavor, I am going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice all over the steak and shrimp. And we are all done, friends. This meal is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve the steak and shrimp over some mashed potatoes or a baked potato. This looks so good. It's such a delicious dinner. The steak came out very juicy and delicious. This is such an easy, delicious one-pan meal. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box if you want to make this recipe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!